Greetings! In this tutorial, I'd like to discuss our Save Draft feature. If you ever get logged out of your account, switch to another feature on the platform, or get timed out while working on a message or email, you might be concerned about losing all that progress you have made so far. Don't worry. Our system automatically saves your work so that you can resume from where you left off. Let me demonstrate how to use this feature. For instance, I'll start composing a message in our text editor now. While working on that message, I decide to import my contacts into the distribution list I plan to send this message to. If I navigate away from the message to the distribution list section, it may seem like I lost all the progress I made so far. However, that's not the case because the message is automatically saved as a draft and can be accessed under the Save Draft section within the message feature. When you choose the Save Draft option, you'll find the message you were previously working on. Simply select the message and click on Edit to open it up. This will take you back to the Compose step where you can resume working on your message. And that's how to make use of our Save Draft feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.